To select the pharmacy, you're going to go down here from the summary screen again. You're going to go to the pharmacy widget. Now see, we have pharmacy underlined, which means there's some kind of function that pharmacy will perform for us. So if we click on that pharmacy, we see here we get a list of the patient's pharmacies. Now when it first defaults, we get this long list of names. In order to filter that list down, you have to go to this filter box here. So it's a little bit of a funny workflow, I think. But if I click here on this screen, if I want to look for a pharmacy in Greenfield, I can type in Greenfield and then it'll bring up a list here, and I can select I want Greenfield, Indiana 46140. So if I select that, and let's say I want to look for retail pharmacies in Greenfield, then I click outside of the filter box. Now whenever I click in the new pharmacy list, I get a list of pharmacies that are in Greenfield specifically, and then I can search further to whittle that down. So if it was a long list, I could select here Wall, and I get Walmart and Walgreens, the two. And it looks like Walgreens here in Greenfield is listed twice for some reason. So that's how I can select the pharmacy name. So then I say I wanted Walmart, I can select Walmart here, and then I can click on the preferred button to make that my preferred pharmacy. Now the other place that I can select pharmacy is within whenever I'm actually ordering a prescription, I can also adjust my pharmacy information. So next I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, now here from my order summary, so I've entered my prescription, I've clicked up at the top to say I was going to either save or sign that prescription, and you'll see here now that my preferred pharmacy has defaulted in. Now for some reason the patient tells you that is not the pharmacy they wanted to go to, or you need to change it at this stage to a different pharmacy. If I click simply on the pharmacy name, I get a list of the patient's pharmacies. So I have CVS and Walmart. Again, I can do a pharmacy search. I want to make sure and do a pharmacy search and not a new pharmacy. I don't want to add a pharmacy to the list. I just want to do a search of the available pharmacies. I can click here under CVS, and again, let's say I wanted to send it to the CVS in Anderson. So if I select Anderson, say retail again, and then do a search. Let me go ahead and do Anderson, Indiana, in case we have Anderson's other places. If I do the search here, then I get a list of the available CVS pharmacies in Anderson, and I can select them. Now on this screen, I have to first select the pharmacy. So highlight the pharmacy I'm interested in, and then select if this needs to be my preferred. Once I do that and hit OK, you'll notice now that CVS Pharmacy Anderson is listed as my patient's pharmacy. Hopefully this clears up some confusion about searching for pharmacies. Thanks.